Are you considering selling your house in the Overland Park, Kansas, or Kansas City metro area? My name is Ben Sochek, and I'm the owner and founder of the Sierra Group Pro Home Buyers. We buy houses in Overland Park, Kansas, as well as throughout the Kansas City metro area. The process, if a person wants to sell a house, is that you can fill out the form on this page, or contact us at toll-free 855-291-5005. We would take some initial information about your property, and then we would set up a time to come out, and myself or one of my inspection agents to come out and inspect your property. During that process, we would take a look at the house, the general condition, and look at the items that we or another buyer, another retail buyer would look at to bring the house up to its full potential. Before the inspection, we would do some research as far as what we think the potential value of your house would be. We look at comparables in your neighborhood or in your close-in area, so that we can hopefully determine what that value is if the house was in its nicest condition or after repaired value. Then at the inspection, once we do look at the condition and go over the things that we think would need to be updated or repaired, we can provide you either one or multiple offers as to what we can offer for the house at that time. And if you like one of those offers, we can certainly close within just a matter of days or on your date of choice. The reason that people sell to my company and the benefits that we provide that people find value in are: one, you don't have to put your house on the market at all. You can avoid showing your house and having who knows who coming through your house at inopportune times. You don't have to get the house into show-ready condition. You don't have to do any repairs or updates to the house to sell it to us. We buy as is. You don't have to worry about a potential buyer doing an appraisal or whole house inspection that a typical home buyer would do. We don't require either one of those. The issues with an inspection, a whole house inspection or an appraisal, is that typically gives a home buyer the opportunity to renegotiate the offer that they've already made to you, or that you might have already agreed to, if that appraisal or whole house inspection turns up deficiencies that you or the buyer was not aware of or had mentioned ahead of time when they wrote the initial agreement. So we eliminate surprises with what we can offer to you if we are the ones to buy the house. And the biggest two of the biggest items, you can take the things you want to take, of course, and leave the things that you don't care about in the house. So if there's a lot of stuff that has accumulated over the years, just leave that and we will take care of it. Again, we buy houses strictly, completely as is. And probably the biggest item is, especially if you're moving to, well, whether you're moving to a new home or apartment community, you don't have to worry about an exact date of giving up your house if you're not quite sure when you can move. We have oftentimes went ahead and bought a person's house, but then allowed them to stay in the house for 30, 60, sometimes 90 days so that they can make the transition to their new home or apartment very stress and hassle-free. So if you're looking for the fastest, easiest, most convenient way to sell your Overland Park, Kansas house, then contact us here, and I would be happy to help you out in any way that we can. Thank you.